Hello, and welcome to the COM 150 video tutorial on supporting materials. Every speech needs the help of supporting materials in order to bolster understanding. In this video, we will discuss various types of supporting materials which you can use when writing your speech. The first of the supporting materials are examples. Two types of examples that will benefit and enhance your speech are factual and hypothetical examples. Factual examples are just that, facts.
Just the facts, ma'am. Leave anything else behind.
Hypothetical examples, however, cannot be verified and are speculative, imaginative, and fictional. Think of hypothetical examples as examples that answer the question, what if? Again, it can't be verified, but it does answer what if. Watch how the following video does exactly that.
Hi, my name is Steve Lee. I'm here to tell you about our entry, descent, and landing sequence, which is the way we're going to land our rover named Curiosity on the surface of Mars in 2012. During entry, the Mars Science Laboratory used a series of thrusters to maneuver through the atmosphere towards the landing site. Once it slows down to Mach 2, a parachute is deployed and the vehicle slows down further. The heat shield is released and the radar is then exposed, which begins taking measurements of the height above the ground and the vehicle's speed. The wheels are released in preparation for a final touchdown.
Narratives, our second type of supporting material, aids understanding by using narration. For example,
I have a dream. My poor little children will one day live in a nation where they will not be judged by the color of their skin, but by the content of their character. I have a dream.
not only does this speech use narration to aid understanding, but it also stimulates the emotions. Another commonly used supporting material are surveys. Here, data is used to provide factual evidence and is collected by questioning people, but ask yourself, how reliable is the source? How broad was the sample used in the survey? Who was included in the survey? How representative was the survey sample? Who performed the survey? And why was the survey done? Testimonial evidence is the fourth type of supporting material and is used to clarify materials through experience. Expert testimony comes from, experts. Think of expert testimony like that of a court case.
Again, we've talked earlier about the difficulty in drawing up even 5 cc's. To have a patient who's somewhat sedated under the effects of drugs, drawing up at one time it may be conceivable. Drawing it up 6 times over that period of time, 2 hours, is inconceivable, yes.
Lay testimony comes from ordinary people and is useful because audience members connect more easily with the everyday person, like in this video clip.
I feel kind of nervous going to school because I like learning, but I have trouble with making friends.
As he said, he's a geek. Some kids had told him that he's worthless to go hang himself. And I think he got to the point to where enough was enough.
Tonight, a tragic situation.
A Perkins boy, just 11 years old, believed to have been desperate enough to take his own life.
Celebrity testimony comes from a famous figure known by the audience. Although they are not experts, celebrities can be very persuasive. Much like surveys, numbers and statistics can also be used as an example to enhance your speech and can help relate complex pieces of information. Analogies can also relate information by comparing two unlike things. For example,
analogies. Analogies are statements that compare or contrast ideas that seem to have no relationship, but really do. Let's look at an example of an analogy. Hand is to glove as foot is to sock. Huh? Okay, let's look closer. Let's try saying it like this. A hand wears a glove the same way a foot wears a sock. See how that works?
Lastly, use definitions as a way to support understanding of complex and often unused words. This concludes the COM 150 video tutorial on supporting materials. Thanks!